Have you ever tried something and still failed, like falling during a race or getting laughed at for your drawing? Let me tell you about a boy named Liam. He was kind, quiet, and loved to draw birds. But when something felt hard, Liam gave up. He would say things like, "I can't do this. I'm not good enough." He stopped playing piano after one wrong note. He didn't join races, and he stayed quiet when someone teased him. Liam was afraid to fail, and slowly, he stopped trying new things. One cloudy day, Liam sat under a big old oak tree. He looked down and whispered to himself, "Why is life so hard for me?" And then, something magical happened. A glowing squirrel wearing tiny glasses popped out of the tree. It looked at Liam and said, "You're not weak. You're just afraid to fail." "Come with me," the squirrel said. "It's time to face that fear." And just like that, Liam entered a magical world called Mindora, where thoughts become real. The squirrel gave Liam a scroll. "To return home," it said, "you must pass 3 trials. Each one will help you grow stronger, even after failing." Liam took a deep breath and said, "Okay, I'll try." Liam stood on a big stage. A voice called out, "Draw the perfect bird." He began to draw, but his hands were shaky. The wings looked a little funny. And then the crowd laughed at him. Liam felt small. He wanted to run away. But suddenly a girl in the crowd held up her own drawing. She said, "Mine looks funny too." Then more kids joined in, laughing, sharing, showing their silly birds. Liam smiled. He picked up his pencil and tried again. A ribbon floated down from the sky. Lesson 1. It's okay to make mistakes, especially in front of others. It means you're trying. Next, Liam joined a race in a magical garden. The other kids ran fast. Some even flew. Liam tried to keep up, but he tripped, fell, and sat on a rock, feeling slow. A wise old tree nearby spoke to him. "You're growing too," it said, "just in your own way." Liam looked around. His path was full of butterflies, glowing fruit, and even a rainbow. He stood up and kept walking. A golden flower bloomed in his hand. Lesson 2. Failure doesn't mean you're behind. Everyone grows in their own time. Then, Liam came to a big glowing door. On it was one word, belong. To open it, he had to remember the times he felt left out. He thought of being left out in games, not being picked for soccer, a friend choosing someone else, or when a parent said, "That's not good enough." His eyes filled with tears. The door stayed closed. But then, Liam looked into a mirror that appeared in front of him. It showed his kind heart, his effort, and his courage to keep trying. He whispered, "Even if they said no, I still matter." And with those words, the door opened. Lesson 3. If someone says no, it doesn't mean you're not good. Don't give up. The gift of strength. The squirrel returned, smiling wide. In his paws was a glowing shield. "This isn't for winning," he said. "It's for getting back up, every time you fall." Liam held the shield. It didn't sparkle loudly, but it felt warm and strong. He had earned his invisible shield of strength. Back in the real world, Liam opened his eyes. He was back under the oak tree. But something inside him had changed. He raised his hand in class, even when he felt nervous. He played the piano again, even after making a mistake. He joined another race and came last. But this time, he smiled and said, "Next time, I'll do better." One day, he saw a younger boy sitting alone. The boy said softly, "I'm not good at anything." And Liam knelt beside him and said, "It's okay to fall. Just keep trying." What Liam learned. No, Liam didn't become perfect, but he became brave. He tried new things, made mistakes, and grew stronger each day. Because now, he had something better than talent. He had mental strength, the power to fall and rise again. Let's learn the words Liam discovered on his journey. Mistake, doing something the wrong way. Like drawing a bird with wobbly wings, but learning from it anyway. Rejection, When someone says no to you, like not being picked for a team or hearing that's not good enough. Comparison, looking at others and feeling small, like seeing someone race ahead and forgetting your own special path. Resilience, staying strong even after falling. It's the quiet power to try again, no matter how many times you've been down. So if you've ever failed, if you've ever been laughed at, if you've ever felt like giving up, think of Liam. And remember this: you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep trying. Because real strength isn't about never falling, it's about always getting back up.